What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a dope headphone unboxing, man. Enough talking, let's go! Like I said, fam, we got a crazy headphone system unboxing today. I know a lot of you guys have been seeing the Slate VSX headphone system. We finally got our hands on one, man. In this video, we're simply gonna do an unboxing. Then we're gonna come back with another video after I've already tested a bunch of times, tested it on a bunch of mixes. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it and show you guys around the headphones and around the plug-in that comes with the headphones. So look here, enough talking. Let's head over to the table and check these out. All right, family, we're at the table. All right, so we got the Slate VSX system. Here's the box. As you can see, it's a pretty basic box. Nothing to it on the outside, just a bunch of Slate branding. So let's get on the inside, see what we got. Got a nice pad here. Steven Slate Audio VSX sticker. Alright, you got the main headphone units. If I can get it out. That was just a card that says pull up. We'll get to the main unit later. Let's look at this hard case. Very nice case. See if there's anything on the inside. Nothing on the inside, just your cable. Of course, this is gonna come in super handy. Let's check out the phones, man. There's the headphones. Give you guys a closer look. Let's take them out. This is what they look like. Give you guys a look on each side. It's the VSX. Thought this was some scratches right here, but it wiped right off. Let's put these on my head. The pads feel extremely nice, man. These feel like some overall quality headphones, man. But I know this is not all to it. I mean, the headphones feel nice, which is a great thing. But it's all about the software with these VSX headphones, this VSX system. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, man, let you guys see what you get in the packaging. It's not much to it in the packaging, to be honest. So like I said, this was just a quick unboxing. I want you guys to see exactly what was in the packaging. Like I said, this package very nice. Slate did a good job with the packaging. Now let's check the overall VSX system. I'll get this downloaded, then I'll make another video about what I think about it. All right, guys. Yes, sir. Hey, look here. I heard a few iffy reviews of the Steven Slate headphones and the quality of them. Hey, look, the VSX headphones that I received are built with amazing quality, as you guys saw. I can't wait to get this thing hooked up into my system and give it a try, man. If you have the VSX headphones, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what to expect, man. Let me know if the system was really worth believe I paid $3.99 for them, $2.99 or $3.99 for the complete system, man. There's two different bundles that you can get, one with everything and one with a handful of different studios and headphones. I believe I paid for the essential version with a couple upgrades that I really, really wanted. But look here, man. I heard a lot of good things about this system, man. I hope I'm not disappointed. Slate never disappoints, so I'm sure they're not going to disappoint with these VSX headphones. So look here, do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and I'll check you on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.